And today's video is a little behind the scenes video for my short documentary project. So I shoot some sculptor who are my friends, and I went to his place, and I shot the footages in his place. His place is super cool, but there were a little problem in terms of lighting, because in his place there are many fluorescent lamps on the ceiling, so I should handle this light. So I decided to turn off some fluorescent lamp, because fluorescent lamp looks little flat. I turned off some fluorescent lamp, and it makes the key side and shadow side in his place. And the fluorescent lamp looks a little greenish. It's gonna be a little greenish image in the cinema camera, but I feel this looks good for the expressing his praise and his artwork process. So I shot by 4500 Kelvin in my Alexa Classic, so it looks green, but I feel kinda dark, and but it looks little artistic and little mysterious look. So I shot the entire process and then creating his artwork, new artwork. So he illustrated some images and some typography. Then he sculptured his typography into the clay. So this is super, I feel, the originality artwork process. So this is super interesting scene. Additionally, I tried my new Laowa 12mm zero distortion lens. I got this lens recently, so I didn't use my serious project. I tried to capture the wide angle shot, but yeah, it looks literally zero distortion. So, and this lens covered the full frame sensor. So yeah, if you have the super 35mm cinema camera, yeah, I recommend this white lens. Nowadays, it's a little hard to create these kind of behind the scenes video because of COVID-19, but I wanna keep create these kind of video in the future. So thank you for watching. Bye.